To puncture the inner seal on a caulk tube quickly and reliably, use a pointed tool to make a clean hole through the foil or plastic membrane. First, check the caulking gun for a built-in puncture rod and slide it forward until it contacts the nozzle cap. Press firmly and twist slightly while pulling back to pierce the seal. Then test by squeezing gently on the gun trigger to confirm material flows. If your gun lacks that rod, use a stiff piece of wire, a long nail, or a thin screwdriver. Hold the tube steady, align the point with the center of the nozzle, and push straight through with controlled force to avoid tearing the nozzle or splashing. Cut the nozzle tip at a 45-degree angle, starting with a small opening and enlarging as needed so you control bead size and prevent over-application. Before you begin, wipe the nozzle exterior clean and remove any loose fragments inside the tip by blowing gently or running the wire through briefly. When working with solvent-based or specialty sealants, wear gloves and keep the puncture motion away from your hands to prevent contact with uncured product. After puncturing and testing, store partially used tubes upright, with the nozzle capped or wrapped tightly to minimize skinning and solvent loss. People commonly push too hard and split the nozzle, which makes controlling bead size difficult, so instead, make a small puncture and ream gradually with the wire. Another common mistake is failing to confirm the gun has a puncture rod, then forcing a thin screwdriver through at an angle and cracking the cartridge. Check the tool first and use a straight, centered push if you must puncture by hand. A third issue is leaving the nozzle open between uses, which causes the seal to skin over and clog. Cap or wrap the tip and store upright, or transfer remaining sealant into a resealable squeeze bottle for short-term storage. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with contractors in their area using project listings and a searchable directory so people can compare options and reach out directly. We also run an active discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and help each other plan and complete home improvements.